Hello there, this is Billy Tarasio from Modern Law Practice, and today I'm going to take you through the quick and simple way that we get clients to sign up easily online during consultations. Now, this is just absolutely fundamental if you are doing remote consultations. So here we go. First thing I do is pull up the Modern Law Client Agreement. This is a JOT form in a browser. So I've got it bookmarked. I come over to the bookmark, press start. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be on the phone here or on a Zoom with the client and walk through this. Okay, Billy. So I'm talking to myself, obviously. Okay, Billy. And we will only get to this part when we've done everything we need to do in the consultation to close. But let's presume we've done that perfectly. Time to move on. So what we've got here is the name, the email. Now I'm going to click to my terms and conditions. This is the terms and conditions for hiring Modern Law, and I'll walk through this. All right, Billy, as we discussed, you are going to hire the firm to help you with your divorce. We talked about how Kylie's going to be your attorney. She's the best fit for you. And this states that Modern Law is hiring you, and you're hiring the team, and you're getting all of the attorneys. There's 9 of us. You're getting the staff, you're getting the paralegals. You're definitely getting a team that's working for you. Also, if you happen to be referred to Modern Law, let us know, because we've got a new referral program that is recently sanctioned that is pretty exciting. So if you were referred, let us know. If you do refer somebody else to Modern Law, let us know. You know that we're not giving you any sort of guarantees, and we will communicate with you and discuss all settlements before we enter into anything. What can you expect to pay? Well, we work like most firms do, where you deposit money into a trust account, and then we bill hourly against that trust money for your representation. The retainer in our case is $6,500. Kylie's rate is $325, and you're going to be billed 2 times a month to let you know exactly what's happening. We always keep a minimum of $1,000 in your trust account, and we're going to go over that specifically. Some things we do on a flat fee. For instance, your petition is an $800 flat fee. There's a minimum charge for simple motions of $100, and you're going to get all of these details into your email box as soon as we're done. We talked about how it's going to be a $6,500 retainer, and that's a replenishing amount. So if it's empty and we go through all of that, then you'll need to put more money in. If we are able to get a quick settlement, then you'll have money coming back to you. We're going to begin as soon as we get this agreement signed and you are able to fund your trust account, which I'm going to help you do right here. Your information is confidential no matter who's paying your bill. So if someone else is paying for your representation, your information is still confidential. They cannot direct representation. And if you want us to share any information with them, you'll have to let us know. And we've got a great form for you to fill out to let us know exactly what we should and shouldn't share with them. Your information is stored online and your client file is stored online. We will give you an electronic file once your case is closed. No settlement will be entered into without your approval. You have the right to terminate at any point in time. And if you do terminate, then any money in our trust account or in your trust account will come back to you. And this talks about how we collect unpaid fees. You are responsible to pay the fees, and we do keep that credit card on file and use it if you have an outstanding balance with us. Do you have any questions on that? All right, now if I was going to do limited scope representation, this is the way I could do it right here. So it says for attorney use only, because really only the attorney should be doing that. But let's say I wasn't representing Billy for divorce. I was representing her for, pleadings, hearings, and negotiations. Then I could limit the scope. This is the advance deposit amount. I can change that right there. This is where I would explain that the hourly rate for the attorney that you're working with is $325. This is where you authorize Modern Law to keep a minimum $1,000 balance in your trust account using whatever credit card you have on file. If you ever want to update that card, you just let us know and we'll be happy to do that. And that is it. Now I would sign it with my initials, and I would do this for the client, walking through with them the client agreement slowly, and then click next. Now, if a third party was paying, I would email them separately because we make them understand and acknowledge that when they deposit money into a trust account on behalf of a third party, that the money would go back to them, that they understand confidentiality. So that's where that would go. And then I would click submit. Now that agreement would be emailed to me. And then here is where you put in your trust account. This is a LawPay integration, and I would just go over this with them during the meeting. So I would go through the payment amount, description, click it, and then they would be signed up as a client. Quick and easy and simple, and something that you should absolutely be doing in your practice right now.